Hey guys, welcome back. This is your host Phil from underKG.com, and what I have here are two flagship Huawei devices. This is P20 and this is P20 Pro. The P20 has a smaller display, 5.8 inches of Full HD Plus LCD panel, and the P20 Pro comes with 6.1 inches of OLED panel. And as you see right there, they have the notch on top. They have notches on top of their display, and the thing is, you can hide it. It seems like it's becoming more popular options amongst the manufacturers. When you go to display settings, they call it the notch. So there's a notch option. You can choose to hide notch. The P20 naturally has an LCD panel, so that looks a bit incomplete. You can see that the lightings leak a little, but on the OLED panel equipped P20 Pro, which isn't this red, it looks more completely hidden, although you still get to see the little distinction between the bezel and the screen itself. Now, especially like the rear panel, they have the sandwich glass design, meaning that both front and back are finished with the glass. And look at this, it's a blue color-coded glass and looks gorgeous. And it gets even crazier with P20 Pro. Look at this gradation color from green, bluish to purple. And if you have noticed, yes, those are three cameras right there. 40 megapixels, 8 megapixels, and 20 megapixels. And the main RGB lens with f1.8 aperture is equipped with OIS and is really big at 1/1.7 inches of sensor size. Now the main facade looks like this. There's a giant display along with the little home button right there that also works as a fingerprint reader, and it also comes with face recognition. The system is EMUI 8.1 based on Android 8.1, and the themes are fairly well done except for the fact that the icons look a bit similar. Look at the settings icon there, and especially the music app right there is that looks way too suspicious. Both of the devices have the latest Kirin 970 processor with 4 GB of RAM and 6 GB of RAM, along with 128 GB of storage built in. The bigger P20 Pro comes with IP67 weather protection and up to 5 times of hybrid zoom. With the super slow motion, fast charging, and the 4G dual SIM capability, they sound really great, although you see a little parts here and there that they have benchmarked or borrowed from the other competitors. But do keep in mind that these are the flagship phones from Huawei and they cost just as much. $649 for the P20 and whopping €899 for the P20 Pro. At the first glance, they look amazing. They also feel amazing as well. The finishes are really well done. It feels really premium. It's like just right in the weight. I don't like the lack of the headphone jack, but that's pretty much given in 2018. We'll have to go ahead and test these in real life to see if they're worth the price they're asking for. So those were the Huawei's new flagship P20 and P20 Pro. We'll hopefully get back with the review very soon. We're not really sure if we can conduct a review on these since we have way too many devices on the queue, but we will definitely try. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, please do leave them down in the comments. You can always meet us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. We'll see you guys later. Ciao.